damn it. It's really bad. It's really bad. Read the description for context. I guess that's it for now. That was like the third round of that. Oh, god damn it. Son of a bitch. Oh, shit. Jesus Christ. Already feeling out of breath. Nose is running, as you can see. It's already, yeah, it's just dripping. This is terrible. I'm already starting to shake uncontrollably. It smells really weird, like dust. Like it smells dirty. That's a lot. That's so much compared to the other nights. Every night, there's a round of fireworks that go off around this time. But it's just like maybe a few pops. This is fucking ridiculous. This is so bad. It's been so bad lately already with just a few. This is so fucking bad. I gotta get out of here. I can't stand out here anymore. I don't know what's gonna happen. It's already fucking affecting me though, really badly. I'm fucked. I don't know. Anyway, I might not be around much longer. I'm not even exaggerating. This is terrible.